Okay, here we are in the travel trailer. I'm going to show you how to replace your roof vent lid, I think it's called. You can see a stick or something came down and punched a hole in mine, not because it was a big stick, but because there are 11 years of dry rotting that have occurred, from the sun. So first thing you got to do is take this collar off. There are just 4 screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it pops right off. The next thing is the handle, the screw handle, and then there are also 2 screws that hold, it screws in here that holds the screw handle on. But I'm sorry, so you got to get the screw handle off, and then the spring or the screen, you can see just has 2 latches on it, and you just kind of press in, and I'll try to get a zoom in here. You can see it. These are little hooks here and here. You can see it, and it just pops right out. Once you do that, then you have access to these 2 screws to pull the handle mechanism off. And then this mechanism just, let's see if I can show you here, just pops into the screen lid and then slides up. And this is kind of like a little spring loaded sort of tensioner to keep it in place, but it just, kind of wiggles its way in there. So as you can see, temporarily, I have just put the old lid back on, so I didn't have to, reassemble all this. I put the old lid back on and then just used some zip ties. So next we're going to get up on the roof and I'm going to show you that. Okay, so now here we are up on the roof. I've already undone the zip ties, and I've already bent the clip. The old roof vent lid just slides off, and to give you a little better look here, when I talk about bending the clip, I'm talking about this was bent in, I guess, to kind of keep the vent in place. Here's my replacement. Now my camper is a 2008 model, so if you'll see here though, what I got, the model says prior to 2008. Well, this was built in late 2017. So I've got the, prior to 2008, model. So if you go on Amazon, you'll see the Camco, right? This is Camco. Yeah, this is a Camco brand, and they'll show you a diagram where you basically just have to match up the hinge. So unfortunately, to confirm the hinge, I had to actually get up here and take the lid off. That's why I had to put it back on and zip tie it temporarily, because I didn't want to have to put the screen and everything back in. So here's the replacement. You can see it's a little bit designed just a little bit differently, a little less metal, but it's the exact same hinge, and all I'm going to do is just slide that baby in. So I'm going to do that right now. Okay, and here we go with that process. I'm just going to slide it in like so, and then the lid just closes like so. So now I'm going to bend the clips, and then I'll go in and secure everything inside. And real quick, to show you what the bent clip looks like and how that kind of keeps the lid centered and in place. There it is, and I just bent the one side of it, not both sides. Okay, and here you can see I've slid the handle in place. I forgot to mention, of course, before you do this, you unwind the handle all the way before you take it off, so the vent is in the open position, and then it's just a matter of sliding the clip in and then securing, pushing it to the point where the wind or the gear mechanism is flush, and then you can let it down and then put the screws in and you're good. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And here's a shot. You can see the screws are in, and of course this slides back and forth, so the positioning of it's not really that critical. It's easier to get out if you open it pretty much all the way. So now I'm going to put the screen back in. And one thing I warn you on mine, this bracket or whatever they call that joins the wood together was hanging out a little bit, so I had a hard time getting in here. You can see the overhangs even still pressed out, so I had to kind of beat that in some just to get this screen out and off of the bracket. So now I'm going to put the screen back in place and put it all together Just a couple more screws. I'm probably not going to show that on the video. If you have any questions about the process, Pete, please post it in the comments.